In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the CPR indicator in TradingView so you can easily spot support and resistance zones on your chart. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, look at the top of your screen and click on the Indicators button. This will open the full indicator library where you can search and add tools to your chart. Now, in the search bar, type CPR. This stands for Central Pivot Range, a popular indicator used by traders to identify key price levels, breakouts, and reversals. As you type, you'll see multiple CPR indicators appear in the list. Go ahead and select any CPR indicator you prefer. If you're unsure, you can choose one with good ratings or from the built-in options. As soon as you click it, the CPR levels will instantly appear on your chart. If you want to customize it, simply click on the settings icon next to the indicator name. From there, you can adjust colors, line thickness, or even tweak how the levels are displayed to match your trading style. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've added the CPR indicator and can start using it to improve your chart analysis. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.